Hi guys, this is Alfred again coming up with a brand new video talking about cryptocurrencies. Today I'm going to talk about what is an exchange and talk about Coinbase.com exchange. If you can recall, in one of my previous video, I was giving you an overview about Coinbase.com exchange, and today I want to put a little bit of meat on the bone to give you more information about how to verify your accounts once you are logging for the first time, and also how to set up security on your account. So when you log into your account, so this is the home page you should see, and on your left side, top left side over here, you should see your portfolio balance. So if you haven't added the payment method yet, so this should display 0. And then when you go to this top right corner over here, click on this icon, and then we go to settings. So once you get to settings, we're gonna verify the profile. So the first thing you should do is to verify your profile to make sure all the information that you have provided to the system while you were setting up the account, they are right. So if anything that's not right over here, you can just click in and update, and then you save. So once you do that, you can come over here, and then if you want to upload your picture, you can click upload, and then you put your picture over here, and the picture should be displaying in this left corner over here. So if for some reason you want to change your password, you click on change password, and you follow the instruction, and then you can change your password. So once you verify everything, you upload your picture, you change your password if that's the case, and then you hit save. So everything should be changed in your profile. So the next thing is a security tab. So once you click on security over here, this is where you can set up your two-step verification. So what is two-step verification? It's when you log into a system using your username and password for the first time, to make sure you are the right person to get access to that system, the system will send you some type of code, whether through your mobile phone or through another technique that we call authenticator. So depending on what you want to set up, you can set up your two-step verification on your mobile phone. In that case, you click on manage in front of your mobile phone, or you can set it up through something called Google Authenticator, and then you can click on manage in front of Google Authenticator, and then you follow the instruction to set it up. Just to show you what we call a Google Authenticator, if you log into Google and then you type Google Authenticator, this is what you can see over here. So this is Google Authenticator. It's just gonna look like this. So when you go to your mobile phone and you go to Google Play Store, you can download this app and put that on your mobile phone. And then you use that to log in into your account as the second step verification. So this is how you set up your account properly and also set up the second step verification. Once the second step verification is set up, there is another step that you have to do. You have to verify your identity to thoroughly complete the setup. Once everything is set up, so when you come over here to account limits, you should see over here, you see level 1 is verified. So once you log in for the first time, and then the system sends you a code to verify your account, and then you click on that code to verify account. So your level 1 verification is set up. And then once you set up the two-step verification, then your level 2 verification is also set up. And then if you go the next step to verify your identity by sending your ID or driver license to Coinbase.com. So your level 3 verification should be set up. So what all this means, all this verification will allow you to have a certain account limit. So because if you don't have any verification done, you might not be able to send cryptocurrencies or receive cryptocurrencies, or your bank deposits might have some type of limit. So once everything is set up correctly, then you should be able to do pretty much all needed activities on Coinbase.com. So this is how you can verify your account and you can set up security on your account. Yeah, so this is what I want to share with you today. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so you can subscribe to this website, and also click on the notification bell so every time I upload the new videos, so you can be the first one to see it. I just want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Have a good day. Bye now.